Welcome to CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison video between the Lifetime Professional Grade and the Lifetime Commercial Grade 8-foot tables. The table on the left is the Professional Grade table, and the table on the right is the Commercial Grade. Most customers purchase the Commercial Grade, but most of those customers are not even aware that an upgraded Professional Grade version exists. Looking at this picture of the Professional table, you can see there's a difference in the leg assembly. The Professional tables have what's called a Pedestal leg assembly. This provides even more stability and weight capacity. It also means the legs are recessed more, allowing for more comfortable seating around the table. The Commercial tables have the traditional Wishbone legs. These are also fantastic and have a high weight capacity and excellent stability. You can also seat around this table, but you can see the Wishbone legs bow out further to the edge. The Professional table has a 2,500 pound weight capacity of evenly distributed weight, making it the best in the industry. This is especially handy in a work environment with consistently heavy loads. The Commercial table also has an impressive 2,000 pound weight capacity, much higher than the competition and wooden tables. Both tables can be used in a commercial or industrial environment. The Professional Grade tables have the best warranty in the business. With the lifetime warranty, you can rest assured that these really will last decades. The Commercial Grade table also has a very generous 10-year warranty. Both tables resist staining and won't crack, chip, or peel whether used inside or outdoors. Another notable difference is the weight of both tables. The Professional Grade table weighs about 15 pounds more than the Commercial table. This is due to the extra plastic and steel built into the structure. When it comes down to it, really both tables look beautiful in a variety of settings, including conference rooms, churches, cafeterias, break rooms, banquet halls, and more. Both tables come in different colors. The Professional Grade table comes in almond or putty. The Commercial Grade comes in almond, putty, white granite, and black. Orders generally ship out the next business day, and with warehouses across the United States, orders generally arrive within just a few days. The freight company is instructed to call a day or so in advance of delivery. They'll make every effort to work around your schedule best they can. Somebody does need to be available to sign for the new tables. Both of these items are proudly made in the United States. Competitive Edge is based in the United States, located in Layton, Utah. Our local-based customer service department is happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please feel free to like this video or subscribe to our channel. For more information including customer reviews, photos and videos, and frequently asked questions, visit us at CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com.